Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I've got a brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 150 Montauk. This hull has been completely redesigned from the bottom up, giving you that same classic Boston Whaler smirk that they've had forever that gives you a nice, dry, stable ride. But they've increased the V at the front to help you break waves a little better. This one comes with the fishing package, giving you 4 rod holders up front. Right there we've got a door with access to slide out tackle gearboxes. You've got 4 more rod holders on the side and 2 to the rear and the back on the side of your bait tank. And with a 60 horse Merc, we'll get you going 34 miles an hour, getting over 8 miles per gallon. 12-gallon tank. This will get you out to your fishing grounds and not break the bank. And weighing in at only 1,400 pounds wet, you'll be able to pull this behind anything and go anywhere. If you guys have any questions, please give me a call. Nick Hutchinson. Thanks.